All right, hey everybody. This is our Australia map review with Mrs. Cooper. Let's see what you know. But first, a few jokes. What do you call a baby kangaroo that's lazy? A pouch potato. I can almost see your faces as you react right now. But there's more. What kind of music is a kangaroo's favorite one to listen to? Anybody? That's right. Hip hop. Oh, Lordy. All right, moving on. Here we go. Let's see how much you know. All right, so as we're doing this, you can say the answer out loud in your head, write it on a scrap page, or grade your map along the way. You can use this presentation for any of those things. All right, so number one, what is it? Yep, Western Australia. Number two, in 3, 2, 1, Northern Territory. Number three, in 3, 2, 1, it is Queensland. Number four, in 3, 2, 1, yes, New South Wales. Number five, in 3, 2, 1, Victoria. Number six, can't forget number 6 down there. In 3, 2, 1, Tasmania. Number 7, in 3, 2, 1, South Australia. Number 8, the capital city of Australia. In 3, 2, 1, it is indeed Canberra. And number 9, there's a little area around that capital city, which is its own little territory. So what is that called? In 3, 2, 1. If you said the Australian Capital Territory, you are correct. So those are the states and territories that make up Australia. Let's go on to the physical features. So look at feature A. What is that? In 3, 2, 1. Yes, the Great Barrier Reef. Definitely on my list of places I'd like to visit one day. B. In 3, 2, 1. Yep, the Coral Sea. Beautiful body of water there. Going on over to number C, or letter C, I should say. In 3, 2, 1, the Great Victoria Desert. Look at D, right there in the center of Australia. In 3, 2, 1, Ayers Rock. And E, in 3, 2, 1, the Outback. And F, in 3, 2, 1, Indian Ocean. G, in 3, 2, 1. If you said the Pacific Ocean, you are correct. And H, in 3, 2, 1. Yes, the Great Dividing Range. So that is it for now. Until next time, y'all take care. Bye.